Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to make the most delicious... what we're making? Today I'm going to be making profiteroles and they are so delicious and tasty. And if you like... And here we have your lovely profiteroles. Don't they look delicious? Tasty. And if you like what you see, do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more lovely videos every week, do hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. And if you know that your friends would love these, do share them on social media. And I'd love to hear your comments on what you think. Right, first of all, we're going to sieve some plain flour. I'm going to add the salt, add some nutmeg. In a pot, we're going to put our butter and our water. And we're going to bring that to the boil. Now, while you're waiting for this to come to the boil, you can put your oven on to the required temperature. These are so easy to make. Okay, so once that comes to the boil, you just turn the heat off, and then you're going to add the dry mixture of the flour, salt and nutmeg, and keep beating it with a wooden spoon. It'll look a bit weird, but that's okay. That's perfectly normal at this stage. Just keep giving it a good mix. It'll be nice and thick. And you beat this for about 1 minute. It's really thick and it's quite difficult to stir, but it's good exercise for that minute just to stir this. And you know when this is ready, when it starts coming away from the side. Can you see that as I'm stirring? It's not sticking to the side. So you know that's ready for the next stage after it's had that minute of a beating. Okay, and then once it gets to that stage, you put it on a low heat for about 2 minutes. And keep stirring. So while you've got it on this heat, this low heat for 2 minutes, just keep beating it. If your hands get tired, have someone in the kitchen helping you and they can take a turn. It's certainly good exercise for your arms. It kind of looks a bit like the consistency of mashed potatoes at this stage. Just keep giving it that beating in the pot on the low heat. Okay, then we'll turn the heat off after the 2 minutes. Okay, then when you want to add your 3 eggs, but just do a little bit at a time. So really 1 egg at a time. And then give that a beat. And you'll see the consistency change. Right, so add your second bit of egg. Give this a good mix. Does look really strange, but it'll all come together and it'll be delicious. Okay, now we'll add our third bit of egg. Just mix this around. Be careful when you first start mixing because it will splash. See how it's starting to come together? Okay, so the mixture now is lovely and shiny. Okay, we're going to now put them onto a baking sheet, and you get a tablespoon and you just put it into like a ball shape. They are very simple to make. And they really do taste lovely. So now we're going to put these in the oven. Now to melt our chocolate to go on the top, you just get a pot of boiling water and you put a bowl on the top of it. And then you just break up some chocolate into little pieces. Now I've got a mixture of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. You can use entirely milk chocolate or dark chocolate, it's up to you what you like. But I find a mixture of it is good. Okay, and you'll see with the heat of the hot water, it melts easily enough. You can do it in the microwave, but the tendency with the microwave is that it can end up burning in certain places, so it's a bit more risky doing it that way. Okay, once these are cooked and you've cooled them down, then it's time to cut them. Use a nice sharp knife so they don't get all squished. You don't have to cut them completely in half, just 3/4, so you can just pop them open like that. And then you want to get some, I've just using a tub that's already whipped, but you can get some double cream and whip it yourself and just fill them. And you can use ice cream if you wanted to instead of the cream. Okay, and then what we want to do is you just get your melted chocolate and you pour some melted chocolate over the top. You don't have to be perfect about it. Sometimes the messier they are, the better with these things. And I'm going to do one here just to be a bit different with white chocolate. Just to show you, you can do it slightly differently. Okay, and then over the white chocolate one, you can just sprinkle and wave your spoon from side to side to get a nice pattern on it. And with the white chocolate, you can do the same effect over the darker chocolate. And just for special effects, you can put a little bit of the milk chocolate over the plate to make some patterns. It just makes it look good when you're dishing it up. And here we have your lovely profiteroles. Don't they look delicious? And I'm just going to try one, see what they taste like. They are delicious. Right, hope you get on well with yours. Thank you for watching today's video on how to make profiteroles. Hope you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to doing some more videos for you.